Hey, Mr. Crackles. Hello. Oh, you're so cute. See if the camera sees this. Hi, Mr. Crackles. You want to come home with me? Hey. Oh. What's that doing, eh? Don't step on my cigarette. Look in the camera, Mr. Crackles. Yes, I'm high, but this cat's coming home with me. He's homeless. Oh, I'm looking the wrong way. He's doing it the wrong way. Hey, Mr. Crackles, come here.